7 years after death, a red bird kept visiting one man's window every single day. The man couldn't sleep. The bird returned each night, tapping relentlessly against the dark glass. A friend's mother revealed the haunting truth. That red bird was his deceased grandmother. That night, the man prayed desperately, "God, if that's grandmother, visit my dream just as I remember." He fell asleep. When he woke, the entire world outside had transformed into pure white. Panicked, the man ran through his home checking if he'd consumed something hallucinogenic. In the living room sat his grandmother on the couch, smiling. "Hey, you called for me." They talked for hours. She asked what he wanted to eat if he needed money. He answered softly. Before leaving, grandmother whispered, "I'm always here. Now wake up." He woke in his real bed. His aunt had delivered a mysterious box of food. Inside was peanut butter and jelly, that exact sandwich he'd mentioned in the dream. Later, his friend appeared with a final gift, something meant specifically for his grandmother.